Ohio's governor is trying to curb opioid abuse with a new plan to limit prescriptions to just 7 days.
Could we be seeing similar action in Indiana? News Channel 15's Kaitor Pessoa joins us to share what he's uncovered.
Indiana lawmakers do have a similar bill moving through the statehouse. It says doctors, dentists, and nurses cannot give out opioid prescriptions that exceed a 7-day supply.
Indiana Senator Liz Brown says in the fight against opioid abuse, there's a lot to consider.
I think we need to do what we can without trying to harm most of us who are good citizens and need to get our health care and be treated appropriately, but we do need to attack this crisis in every way we can.
Their latest effort is to limit prescriptions to just 7 days. Lawmakers are determined to curb the amount of prescription painkillers going out, but they want to be considerate to more painful cases.
We had people testify from a burn unit, and those patients have some pretty terrible and painful injuries, and it takes more than 7 days, and we don't want people to have to keep going back, particularly if it's long distance, to get their prescription filled, because these kinds of prescriptions, you understand, have to be filled in person.
There are some exceptions to the rule. If the patient has cancer or a serious illness, the doctor can prescribe a longer supply, or if it's a patient who needs the medication to overcome substance abuse.
In the doctor's best medical judgment, if they think you need more than 7 days, then you can get that filled. But you have to be able to note in your medical records that it is in the doctor's best judgment that you should have more than 7. So the idea is to try to get doctors to understand that let's try to give the least amount of pain medicine as possible, which I think most have been doing all along. We just had a few who perhaps in the past have been overly generous with their prescriptions.
The bill has passed in the Senate and the House. It now waits for the governor's signature.
Brown says opioid abuse is an epidemic that state lawmakers are battling hard. She says 20 bills have come through the Senate addressing the issue in different ways. In Studio 15, Kaitor Pessoa, News Channel 15.